Here's your Zulay Kitchen milk frother, and I'm going to give you a demonstration of how to handle the batteries and putting them in first. So here's a little battery compartment. You clip that down, pops out. Now before you put the batteries in, make sure that you take out this little cloth tab. Otherwise it will be very hard to change the batteries when you need to do that. Alright, so the little sticky outy thing goes at the top first, okay? And then the other little sticky outy thing, you put that one at the bottom like that, okay? And then you see that tab is right there. And then you clip it back in like this. All right, so now I've found the best way to hold it is like this because it's easy for my thumb, and there's this little groove right here for my index finger. So there you go. All right, so we're gonna froth half and half, and I'm gonna show you how much I'm starting with. Okay, so there's the little half and half right there. It's really about right there in the cup. All right, so what we usually do is we go up and down first, okay? This is not an exact science, but I'm just telling you what I usually do. I go up and down, and then I go from side, and then a little bit of more side action like that. And then, you know, I go up and down a little bit more, you know. It's really like however frothy you want it to be. If you want it to be super duper frothy, also you can go at the top like this. As you can see, it little froths a little bit more at the top. So, let's see. And then I go a little bit around circles and up and down. And a little bit like this. So you can see that? It's super foamy here. And go up and down. So anyways, you can keep going on and on and on. But I would say this is a really good foamy froth here. And I'll show you where it got to in the cup. It got all the way up to here. See? So I think we started about down here, all the way up to here with this milk frother. And it's really easy to clean too. You just run it under the running water, and you turn it on, and then it basically cleans it out really easily. That's it.